Tickets are on sale for the 2016 Bird Supper. The event will be Wednesday, February 24th, 2016, at the historic Georgia Railroad Depot in Atlanta at 5 p.m. The event, sponsored by the Lowndes County Board of Commissioners and the City of Valdosta, brings together hundreds of state officials and local business, professional, and government personnel. Since the 1950s, the Bird Supper has been providing a venue for local professionals to impact legislative issues by keeping Valdosta and Lowndes County in the minds of state officials during the legislative session. Tickets may be purchased for $50 each at the Lowndes County Judicial Administrative Complex, located at 327 North Ashley Street. Tickets are also available for purchase from the City Clerk at Valdosta City Hall, located at 216 East Central Avenue. For more information, contact Lowndes County Public Information Officer Paige Dukes at 229-671-2400 or City of Valdosta Public Information Officer Samantha Matthews at 229-259-3548.